And so we're going to have to call the county and find out. So I got 3 questions. When is his court hearing? Will it be virtual? Because if it's virtual, we're going to get a ticket so that we can attend. And my other question is, can I attend? Because I know if it's virtual, a lot of counties set it up with tickets. And so you can request a ticket and then you can sit in the virtual hearing. Some do, some don't. We don't know because I don't live in Georgia. I don't know the rules. So we're going to have to call the county, y'all. We're going to have to call the county and then we're going to find out. We're going to find out. So hold on, y'all. Because you know I'm going to bring y'all with me. Period.
Gwinnett County Sheriff's Office.
What's eating you? Psychology is here to help you. What's eating you?
Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. If y'all don't pick my sign up. Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Psychology Eats. So what's eating you? Hello, everyone, and welcome back to the channel. I hope this video finds you in great mental health. I hope everything is going well for you, and you're ready to kick off this weekend, because I know I am. Happy Mother's Day to all the bio mothers, adoptive mothers, aunties in the role as mother, grandmothers, great aunties. If you in a child's life and you are in the role of protector, you love on that child, you're the mama. And I just want to say, happy Mother's Day. Okay. So, y'all know, I told y'all, I'm committed to this case. And the memory of Llips in a positive way, and getting to the bottom of and understanding how we got here. How did we get here? Llips is unalived. Production is in prison. He's in county. He's in the county jail right now. If you want to hear my phone call with the county today regarding when his next court hearing is, you will have to go to membership to hear that. He is going to be going to court. And right now there is no bail amount for him to get bailed out. Now, I know I'm not a lawyer. I couldn't tell you all of that. Like, is the bail amount, like, all I can see on the docket is that there is no bail amount. Has he pleaded guilty or not guilty? You'll have to listen to the phone call and figure that out yourself. You know, I asked as many questions as I could think of, but of course I'm not, you know, I'm not a lawyer. I don't understand that a lot about the whole court thing. You know, I never been, you know, I know a lot of people who ain't never been to law school, but they sure can break it down. Somebody got a plea bargain, they don't have a plea bargain, they plead guilty, they not guilty, like all of the things. So right now I don't see that he has a bail amount. So I don't know what that means. Like, why not? I thought that was something that anybody should be able to have. In the case of him, I don't see it. I don't know if you got to go to court first in order for a judge to make that decision. I don't know. It sounds like he's already been to court. When you listen to the phone call and membership, it sounds like he's been to court already. But You know, people can sit in county jail. You know, you're not supposed to sit there for years. But I definitely know people who have sat in county for years. You know, waiting for their case to be heard because it's such a backlog. And honey, if you go on the website for Gwinnett County where he is, I mean, every day, if you look at their website, and because they usually, you know, it looks like they drop mugshots. You know, they put them on a public platform on their Facebook page. But his mugshot is not there. Even though on the day of his arrest was April 17th, and you could see who was arrested on April 17th and booked on April 17th, got a mugshot. He has no mugshot. So I'm not sure what the deal is as far as that's concerned. Like I said, I'm not an attorney. If you're an attorney and you're listening to this, you know, and you want to drop us some information, please do. In my last video, I had talked about, you know, will production be able to reap the benefits financially from the channel? And someone dropped some tea there. And like, you know, in some states, if you unalive your partner, you can't benefit, or you can't benefit from the person that you unalive, whether it's your wife, husband, whatever. And so in Georgia, I don't know if that's the case. You know, can he benefit, meaning can he get the revenue from a channel that was their channel and a source of and their income. So that's really it as far as that is concerned. You know, if you live in Georgia and you live near Gwinnett County Superior Court, there's going to be a court date, and he's going to appear in court in person. I was hoping it was virtual, because if it was virtual, I was definitely going to get a ticket, you know, a virtual ticket, and be in that courtroom. But it's not. It's in person. So if you live in Georgia and near that county, you know, if you busy on the date that he's going to be in court, which you can find out in membership, can you go? And if you plan to go, could you reach out to me and let me know you're going to be there, and give us the tea. Like, how did he look? How did he sound? What did he plead? You know, all that kind of stuff. It would be appreciated. It would. Anywho, that's it for this video. Bye, guys.
Guess what? I got a share with me, and hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, hit that like button, and hit that little bell.
Subscribe. Say
Button.
subscribe to Psychology Eats.
Subscribe to Cowboy Eat.
Not Cowboy.